Looking for smart Amazon products that actually make your life easier, cleaner, and way more fun? Let me show you some must-have finds you'll wish you had sooner. This product will completely change how you store your food. It's a compact vacuum sealer that keeps your food fresh up to 5x longer. No more waste, no more spoiled leftovers. Just press one button and seal in seconds. Fast, easy, and totally mess-free. Portable, rechargeable, and perfect for home or travel. Save money, keep food fresh, and make life easier. This product is a game changer for your kitchen. It's a powerful air fryer with advanced TurboBlaze technology that gives you crispy, juicy meals every time, without all the oil. With precise temperature control and fast cooking, your food comes out perfect in minutes. Non-stick ceramic coating makes cleaning super easy, and the spacious design is perfect for family meals. Less oil, more flavor, zero hassle.
This product makes cleaning faster, easier, and way more satisfying. It's a professional microfiber mop with a durable stainless steel handle designed to pick up dust, dirt, and spills in seconds. The high-quality microfiber head traps even the smallest particles, leaving your floors spotless without extra effort. Lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for everyday cleaning, this is the upgrade your home needs.
This is a premium vegetable slicer that makes food prep incredibly easy. Slice cucumbers, zucchini, and more in seconds with perfect, even cuts. If you love cooking but hate the prep, this is a game changer. This product is a silicone popsicle mold set that lets you create your own frozen treats at home. Healthy, reusable, and perfect for kids or summer cravings. Just fill, freeze, and enjoy. This product is a dimmable candle warmer lamp that gives you all the cozy vibes without an open flame. It melts your candles evenly, releases amazing scents, and creates the perfect relaxing atmosphere. This product is an expandable Lazy Susan that makes sharing food effortless. Perfect for family dinners, parties, or even organizing your kitchen. Everything within reach, no more stretching across the table.
This product lets you wash your shoes in the washing machine without damaging them. It's a protective shoe washing bag that keeps your sneakers safe, while the powerful mesh and padding clean them gently and thoroughly. No more scrubbing by hand or worrying about your shoes getting ruined in the wash. Cleaner shoes, zero hassle.
This product is a smart air purifier that upgrades your air quality instantly. It removes dust, odors, and even pet hair while running quietly in the background. Perfect for a cleaner, healthier home. This product is a heavy-duty folding cart built to handle serious weight. Whether you're shopping, moving, or traveling, it makes carrying heavy items effortless. This is a smart multicooker that lets you cook multiple meals at the same time. It saves you time, space, and effort, while delivering delicious results every single time. This product is a powerful air fryer oven combo that cooks faster with up to less oil. Crispy, juicy meals without the guilt. Perfect for everyday cooking. This product is a compact folding ironing board designed for small spaces, easy to store, easy to use, and perfect for keeping your clothes looking sharp. Smart, practical, and designed to make everyday life easier. Which one would you add to your home first?